France proves something most hams don't expect. You can have strong regulation, clear standards, and still produce some of the best operators in the world. No chaos, no guessing, no vanity games. This is ham radio, French style. Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Ham Radio Around the World. If you're watching this video, it is scheduled to release on the day after Christmas, Boxing Day in some countries. Happy Boxing Day if you celebrate, but really want you to know, I hope you had a very Merry Christmas. Again, this is Ham Radio Around the World, where we explore how amateur radio actually works outside of the United States. It's the same hobby, different rules, different culture, but different call signs. I'm Josh, your host, AA4WX, and today we're heading to France. This series is sponsored by World Radio League because ham radio is global and your log should reflect that. In France, the amateur radio is regulated by the ANFR. I'm going to try to pronounce this. I don't speak French, but we're going to try it. Agence Nationale des Frequencies, something like that. ANFR manages a spectrum, ANFR manages all spectrum in France, from military and aviation to cellular networks and amateur radio. They don't treat amateur radio casually. They treat it as part of the national spectrum policy. France uses a single primary amateur license. No multi-tier ladder like the United States or United Kingdom. You pass one exam and you're trusted with meaningful privileges immediately. The exam emphasizes regulations, RF safety, operating practice, interference prevention. France believes competence matters more than hierarchy. French amateur call signs typically begin with F as in Frank, or Foxtrot. France's primary amateur prefix. Common examples would be Fox 4 Alpha Bravo Charlie or Fox 6 X-Ray Yankee Zulu. Here's what matters. The prefix identifies France. The number does not indicate license class. Call signs are functional, not performative, unlike the United Kingdom or Australia. France doesn't encode status into the call signs. If you're on the air, you've already met the standard. French amateurs generally operate with moderate power limits. That encourages good antennas, efficient operating, clean signals. France has dense population centers such as Paris, which means interference control is critical. Sloppy operating gets noticed quickly. French ham radio culture is often technically competent, contest capable, internationally focused, DX oriented. France consistently shows up strong in HF contests, D expeditions, and digital modes. This is a country that thinks globally, not locally. When you're working stations like a Fox 4, Fox 6, or a Tango Mike, special event call sign. That's another thing. Tango Mike call signs, they're special event calls. Accurate logging matters. That's where World Radio League fits naturally. World Radio League is a logging and analytics platform that lets you track QSOs by country, visualize your international contacts, analyze operating patterns over time, compare activity globally. France is a perfect example of why this matters. Their operators are active worldwide, not just at home. Don't forget, you get 10% off World Radio League premium memberships, paid tier memberships, if you use coupon code HamShackTV at checkout. But don't worry about it. It is free. There is a free option, but there's a lot more features involved when you have the paid tier. So check out worldradioleague.com, coupon code HamShackTV. For United States operators, France is surprising because of one primary license, no call sign signaling status, moderate power limits, strong global presence, high operator competency. That makes France prove you don't need complexity to build world-class operators. If this series has you thinking about getting your ham radio license, upgrading, or finally understanding HF or DX, Ham Radio Prep makes it simple. Go to hamradioprep.com and use my coupon code HamShackTV, get 10% off. They're already great prices. And yes, they have a money-back guarantee if you don't pass your exam. Make sure you see their website for details. It's hamradioprep.com. They'll help you learn the rules so you can obtain the freedom. So France shows us something important. Strong operators don't come from chaos. They come from clarity and expectations. And when you log those contacts and actually look at your global activity with tools like World Radio League, that reminds you, ham radio doesn't stop at the borders. Next in this series, we head across the Pacific Ocean to Japan. And if you're watching from France, make sure you drop your call sign in the comments. And if I've messed anything up, let me know that too. I'm Josh, AA4WX. Live, learn, transmit. Welcome to the Shack. 73 AA4WX, WSCB 693.